In this video, we unbox some brand new AIAIAI headphones. It's me versus my assistant. Who can do it the fastest whilst blindfolded? Let's jump in. Hey, it's Graham Farmer from Data Transmission, and today on YouTube, I unboxed some brand new AIAIAI headphones. They've sent us two of their brand new range. We've got the brand new TMA-2 Studio and also the TMA Studio XE. These are for the studio, these are for DJing. If you're not aware of AIAIAI headphones, they're modular, which means that you can replace each of the parts. They're really, really cool. And when they come all separate. In fact, look, they actually come as all the separate parts. The cups, the speaker units, the bands, the plugs, all separate. So I thought, what might be fun, since we've got two, on my live stream recently, and I stream on Twitch regularly on Mondays and Wednesdays and Fridays. I'm a Twitch partner. Did you see that? I put the little card. I thought on Twitch for a fun stream, I would challenge my assistant to who can build their headphones fastest and unbox them whilst blindfolded. Let's jump in to that video. Here we go. We're going to be blindfolded, and whoever opens them first, and you can vote, put in the chat thing, there's a vote, you can vote for who you think is going to do it, and use your channel points, which you've all redeemed for flipping ages, which we didn't think we know what they're going to do, and you can vote for me or Granimar, whoever you think is going to win the competition. We're both going to be blindfolded. Shelley went and found some blindfolds in the house from not from that box, but from somewhere. Right, so yeah, let me just go into the screen. So these are the two. So we've got the TMI Studios, and these are 200 quid. Holy moly. They're professional modular studio headphones with high detail audio and enhanced comfort with something called Alcata, something or other ear cushions. And that's got a little R, look. Little R. Right. The high detail audio from signature biodigraphic drivers. Wow. Yeah, so we're going to do this. We're going to basically, like I said, we have got these brand new headphones that AIAIAI have sent us. And they are we're going to have the challenge. We should do that in a minute. Have you all voted? Have you used your points? And should we have this competition? Should we get Granimar in the shed? Look, so I'm in the lead, 70%, 60%. Right, so yeah, go to the little challenge thingy, the little thing in the corner, little circle thingy by the bottom of the chat bar, and then you'll see there's challenges, and you can vote for myself or Granimar with your channel points. The stuff that we've been saving up for blooming ages, you know, those ones that it says, you've got so many points, you've done this. And we all know, previously, they have done absolutely nothing, Graham. Right, yeah, that's right, Magic Hat. They've done absolutely nothing. But today they do something, and you can vote. Look, Magic Hat's not sat on. Are you okay, Magic Hat? Yes, I'm fine. Okay, cool. The Magic Hat is all good. Have we got the blindfolds, Granimar? Are you going to come in the shed? Should we do this now? Because we can always run the rerun afterwards. Welcome to all those that are joining us this afternoon. So basically, if you're joining us this afternoon, we've got these two pairs of headphones. They're essentially the same. One's the studio, one is the DJ version. Me and the assistant are going to, the plan is to unbox, take out the box, build headphone, put in bag, all blindfolded. Shelley Dodds has got the blindfolds. Are you ready for this? What's that for? Why has he brought a knife to the gun party?
Which one do you want?
I don't mind.
Nice black one.
Shall I move across a bit?
I need to move across.
Shall I go this one? You're going to go the big one?
Been assured these aren't from their personal box.
Yeah, these are not. Oh my god, I can't even see. All right, okay. There's yours.
Thank you.
Let me move the mouse. Should we just start and let him be stood there in the dark for a few minutes? Can you actually?
I can hear.
Oh damn it! Should we just make him stand there just for like 10 minutes without doing anything?
Can I borrow these, guys? Want
to move your tea? I might want to move my tea. Let's move my tea and put it over there. By all the wires. That's a good place for it. Who's going to win? Right, have you all voted? Go to the channel points, use your channel point. Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
You can't take it out of the box yet! Whoa!
Ninja.
Shelley Dodds, count us down.
3, 2, 1, go. go.
I just want to say, I don't think it's that fair that you've done this before, and I genuinely don't know. Oh, fuck.
Careful.
Oh my god, that's really sticky. That's what she said. I've got a band.
Oh, that's just the... I don't know what that bit
That's
is.
the bag. You need that at the end. You need to keep that at the end.
I can't even open the bag.
Yes, I'm going to win.
You 100% haven't got your thing again, have you?
What? I have. I've got my blindfold on.
I haven't even opened one of the bags yet.
Oh, what was that bit I just lost?
I just don't want to break them.
You can break them, it's cool.
You can break them. They'll send some more, it's alright.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck this.
Oh, I'm going to win. Right, I've got one. Right, where's a cup? There's a cup. They only go on one way, by the way, you know that, don't you?
No, I don't know anything about them.
Oh, brilliant! I've only done this a few times. Oh, what was that that just fell on the floor?
I don't know.
This is where it's going to get stupid when we start knocking other people's stuff off the... Oh no, where's the cup?
That's a cable. Where's the bit that the headphones clip into?
You need the band. First thing to do is find the band. Once you've got the band, then you can... have we lost followers, by the way? Is this... I hope you're enjoying this, by the way. I hope you're riveted by who's going to win this. I feel like it's going to be me because I'm not being funny.
Oh, there's the bit.
I'm not being funny. I've definitely... No. Where's the fucking... Oh no, it's all the way around. Shit. I feel like he's getting instructions out. Okay. Right, where's the...
I'm 100% going to break these before I've even opened them.
Well, this is. Oh my god, that's the end. Are we putting them in the bag as well?
Nah, I think just...
No. I'm done. Oh no, I haven't. I've lost a pad. Oh no. Oh no, where's the fucking pad gone? Shelly, is it all on the floor?
Don't help him.
Help him.
Oh fuck's sake. Just push him.
Done.
Oh,
There we go.
you done?
Put them together.
Have you?
Yeah.
Oh, I lost a pad. I can't find it.
Can I take my thing off?
Where's my...
I've got the cable attached though.
Oh, yeah.
Do you have to have the cable attached as
Yeah,
well?
yeah.
In that case, this is never happening. Oh, I'm going to break it.
Oh, I think I've done it.
What a great stream. Oh, fuck knows. I give up.
I'm in. I'm done.
You done?
I'm done.
Is he?
Yeah.
Oh, in which case. Well done.
Ah. If we could only trigger the air horn sound in the chat. Air horn, yeah, air horn.
When Graham said I was getting blindfolded at work today, I didn't know what he meant.
How are they? What do you think of these?
These feel comfy.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. What's the... Oh,
How did you get on with the?
Shit.
So mine have got leather cups.
Yeah.
And you've got
Fluffy cups.
the fluffy cup. You're a fluffy cup kind of guy.
Fluffy guy.
A fluffy cup kind of guy. And that was ridiculously stupid. Okay. Yeah, I've got leather over here. You've got, and it comes with this nice pouch as well. Look at all these little bags it comes in as well. Bags. Who's got bags? That was really good fun.
What are they saying in
Added
the
blindfold headphone assembly to my bio. There you go. You can add that to your bio now. Blindfold headphone.
Top of the CV.
Top dog.
These ones would be nice for DJing, but then that would get a bit sticky I reckon. Bit hot and sticky.
You think it's going to have a sticky pad?
Yes, a sticky pad. We've all been there.
What happens with the points? Like you got the.
Nothing happens. Like afterwards, you're just spending. Like you've got 10k points here.
Right.
You're just spending them to enter the race.
Right. Okay.
You just accumulate them and then spend them on nonsense.
Oh, cool.
That's what they're designed for.
Right. Cool. So that was nonsense.
Yeah.
Well, that's brilliant. We've achieved.
We've achieved nothing.
We've achieved absolutely nothing.
Can't wait to give these a blast. Righto.
Have fun. He's going to go and test that. That was absolute nonsense. Thank you for all getting involved with the blindfold. Yes, you've just wasted your nonsense points on some nonsense. I hope you enjoyed said nonsense this afternoon. Did I win that? Did you find that funny? I think I did. They're great headphones. We've been testing them out loads on my live streams for all my demo listening sessions. We have regular demo listening sessions on my Twitch stream. The link for Twitch is below. Come and follow me on Twitch. Come and join our Discord. Again, the link for Discord is below. Our Discord server is packed full of tips and producers and all trying to get further and they're all helping each other and networking. So come and join the Discord server. It's really cool. We've been testing these out in the demo listening sessions and we're having regular demo listening sessions, as I said, and the music's sounding amazing through them. I'm really impressed with the quality. Lars, my assistant, he's been using them for production from the studio range, and he's loving them. And I've put all the links for all the AIAIAI headphones below. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Let me know if it's just a different standard fun video in the comments below. Consider subscribing. If you did enjoy it, give it a like, share it with your friends, and I will see you in the next video. See you soon. Bye bye.